to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines.
Cases declining, but complacency can usher in third wave. Center experts quotes warn states as crowds seen in many places after relaxation. Congress demands that government not use NSA to suppress protests. Dissent against government projects including CZMP public hearings. Heavy rainfall very likely at few places on 20th June and 21st June.
And now for the news in detail. The state will go for an extension of the statewide curfew till 28th of June, the Chief Minister announced late last night. He said that the reason was because the COVID-19 virus boogie is still on us. The state's average positivity rate, though declining, is still around 8% from a high of 50%. However, the national average is just above 2%.
There are a few relaxations, but entertainment, bars and restaurants are still closed. However, shopping malls and fish markets have been allowed to open from 7 am to 3 pm. But all essential goods shops would be open from 7 am to 3 pm. A state-level curfew will be imposed in Goa from May 9th initially till May 23rd. Then the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant had urged people to stay indoors as much as possible after very high positivity rate as well as deaths had almost overwhelmed the state health system.
मेडिकल फॅटर्निटीचेर जो वाडटो लोड वो लक्षांत घेवन निदान आतां तरी लोकांनी म्हाका दिसता 100% लोकांनी घरान रावचे हाजोच विचार करून आमी स्टेट लेवल कर्फ्यू वो परवाच्यान म्हणजे आयतारा सकाळी 9 पासून आमी राज्यस्तरीय कर्फ्यू हो लागू करता.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The cases are indeed declining. However, on Saturday, the centre has joined experts and courts in warning states and union territories not to become complacent and ensure that protocol after a decline in COVID-19 infections and lockdown relaxations saw crowds in many areas. Here's more.
The number of daily COVID-19 cases have been coming down in India in the last few weeks. From a peak of 4 lakh cases a day, the nationwide tally has dropped to 58,419 new cases in a span of 24 hours, which pushed the nationwide tally to 2,98,81,965. As many as 3,86,713 people have succumbed to the COVID infection, even as the centre announced on Saturday that the daily positivity rate in the country has dropped to 2.98%. However, in Goa, it was around 8%. The centre has said that it procures 75% of vaccines from manufacturers and will supply them to states free of cost. The rest 25% can be purchased by private hospitals. Meanwhile, the opposition Congress slammed the government for not being prepared for the second wave and repeated its accusations that the Chief Minister and the Health Minister were responsible for the deaths seen in the state alleged due to lack of oxygen.
ज्या सरकारान जवळजवळ 2800 वयर लोकांक ऑक्सिजन दिनासतना मारले, हे लोक इतले मरपा नाशिल्ले. हो सरकार जर जाग्यार आशिल्लो, हो सरकार जर शुद्धीर आशिल्लो, ह्या सरकारा कडेन जर अनुभव आशिल्लो, ह्या सरकारा कडेन जर दिसतालें की आमी लोकांक मदत करपाक जाय ह्या टायमार, जाल्यार ह्या सरकारा कडेन पावलां काडपाक ऑक्सिजन तुमकां खबर आशिल्लें 1 वर्स पयलींच की फेज येवपाची आसा आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान अटॅक जातलो. लोक हॉस्पिटलां तयार केली ना, ऑक्सिजन तयार दवरली ना, कांयच तयार दवरली ना आनी जेन्ना हो सगळो प्रॉब्लेम जाता तेजे नंतर लोकांक मरण येवपाक पडलें. हेची सगळ्यांची जबाबदारी ही मुख्यमंत्र्याचेर आनी आरोग्य मंत्र्याचेर आसा आनी त्या खातीर ह्या दोगांचेरय आमी पुलीस कंप्लेन रजिस्टर केल्ली आसा आनी अजुनूय गोंयचो सरकार, गोंयचे पुलीस ती कंप्लेन अजुनूय FIR रजिस्टर करनात म्हणून आमी आतां कोर्टान मूव केल्ली आसा. ह्या तरेचो हो सरकार आसा. एव्हरमॅक्टीन सारक्यो गुळयो, ज्यो गुळयो जगान खंयच यूज करनात, त्यो गुळयांचो करप्शन करपाक 22.50 crores करप्शन इन द प्रोक्युरमेंट ऑफ एव्हरमॅक्टीन टॅबलेट. ज्या टॅबलेटीक WHO जो कोणेच मान्यता दिल्ली ना. आमी झगडत आसा ह्या सरकारा कडेन, तुमी लोकांक मारनाकात, ह्या दुयेंसांतल्यान मारतात, गुळी दिवन तुमी मारतात तुमची बॉल्स भरपाक. आणि 2-3 रुपयांच्यो गुळयो हे होलसेल रेटान घेवचे सांगून रिटेल प्रायसाचेर घेतात आणि तो स्टॉक करतात आणि लोकांक मारून उडोवपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. सो ह्या 22.5 कोटी ज्या रुपयांचे जे करप्शन केल्ले आसा ते करप्शन आमी कशेंच सोडपाक ना, तेजे फाटल्यान लागतले.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Congress on Sunday demanded that the government not use the National Security Act to suppress protest and dissent against various projects of the government, including the protests against the CZMP.
The Goa desk in charge Dinesh Gundu Rao in the state for the past 4 days condemned the BJP-led government for imposing the NSA in South Goa district during the COVID pandemic, alleging that it could be used to harass Congress workers from helping people. He also warned that the act should not be used during the CZMP hearings and people should be allowed a chance to express their views.
So they want to suppress the voice of the people. People want to help other people during. I've been getting information that our people, when they're going to try and help the poor people during this pandemic, this NSA is coming in the way. They are harassing them. What kind of a act is this? Really, if national security is under threat, they should use this act, not for public work and social work. Also, I would like to urge people of Goa, especially this coastal zone, this management plan, CZMP, everyone should take part in these hearings. And this NSA should not be used to see that people don't participate in these hearings, people don't express their voice, because this is a very big issue. So government cannot use laws to curtail, suppress the voice of the people. So that is completely anti-democratic. So the coastal zone management plan, I think hearings should take place. People should be allowed to freely go, express their views, give their whatever points they have, whether for it, against it, whatever there is. And if anybody's got an opinion on that, they should be able to voice it. If 100 people want to gather together and want to express it, they should be allowed to do it. So government should not try to curtail the voice. And that is, I demand that, there should be free movement of people for these kind of activities. I'm not saying politically or any other religious functions, thousands gathering, that should not be allowed. I agree with that. But all when public work, for the sake of the people, for the sake of the state, things are being done, government should not suppress the voice. So that is my demand on the state government.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
A building owned by the municipality in the centre of Pichole town, inaugurated in 1990 and still a major revenue generating project, is now in dilapidated condition.
This building houses the RTO office, a bank and shops and generates revenue for municipality. But despite this, the municipality has not maintained the building. Why? Question locals and former MLA Naresh Sawal.
आयज आमी पळयतात की टावन सेंटर म्हणून आमची नगरपालिकेची बिल्डिंग आसा. माझ्या नगरपालिकेक आनी स्थानिक आमदाराक एक विनंती आसा की टावन सेंटर म्हणटा ती जी बिल्डिंग आसा पळय ती रेव्हेन्यू जनरेटिंग सोर्स आनी तातूंत बरीचशी शॉपां आसा, बरीचशी ऑफिसां आसली, थोडी ऑक्युपाय आसली, थोडे सोडून गेले, सोडून ते इतल्याच खातीर गेले अशी म्हाका दिसता की म्युनिसिपालिटी त्या बिल्डिंगे कडेन म्युनिसिपालिटीचो लक्ष ना. म्युनिसिपालिटीन त्या बिल्डिंगे कडेन लक्ष दिवचो, ती रिपेर करची. थंय 3rd फ्लोराचेर बरो मोठो हॉल आसा, थंय जर एखादी जर लिफ्ट जर म्युनिसिपालिटी बसयत जाल्यार तो हॉल उपयोगान हाडपाक शकता, येवपाक शकता. त्याच बरोबर त्या लिफ्ट जर बसयली जाल्यार बरीचशी तेंचे LICची ऑफिसां आसली, PWD आसली, तेंचे स्थलांतर जालें, ते थंयच्यान गेले आनी तेका लागून तेचें नुकसान म्युनिसिपालिटीक जाल्लें आसा. म्युनिसिपालिटीक बरो रेव्हेन्यू थंयच्यान येतालो. आयज RTO ऑफिस आसा, ते एक दीस समजा जर हे रिनोवेशन जायना किंवा हेचे जर वेवस्थीत रिपेर जायना जाल्यार ते RTO ऑफिसूय एक दीस वचपाक शकता. टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंगाचे ऑफिस आसा ते वचूंक शकता. अशे बरेचशी दुकानां आसा ती वचूंक शकता. गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक आसा ती वचूंक शकता. हे वयच्या पयलीं हांव हे आमचे कावन्सिलर हांगासर आसात, एडवोकेट अपर्णा आनी एडवोकेट आमची रंजना, हांकांय विनंती करता की तेंच्यांनी येता त्या मिटिंगेन तेंच्यांनी हो प्रश्न थंय मांडचो आणि त्या बिल्डिंगेचें ताबडतोब रिनोवेशन करचें, त्या बिल्डिंग अपग्रेड करची, म्हणजे अपग्रेड करता आसतना ताका बरी लिफ्ट बसोवन की तेचो हॉल आसूं की बाकीची इतर ऑफिसां उपयोगान हाडची आणि म्युन्सिपाल्टीक एक रेव्हेन्यू तयार करून दिवचो, इतलेंच म्हजें मागणें.
ही टाउन सेंटर बिल्डिंग शहराच्या मध्य भागात असलेली ही नगरपालिकेच्या मालकीची इमारत साधारण 1990 याचे उद्घाटन झाले. काय किरकोळ डागडुजी सोडली जाल्यार ह्या बिल्डिंगेचे कांयच असे मोठे बांदकाम जर रिपेरिंग जावंक ना. हांगा जी शॉपां आसा तांचे कंप्लेन आसा की पावसान त्यांच्या शॉपांनी भितर गळटा, पण नगरपालिका त्याचेर कांयच लक्ष मारिना. ह्या बिल्डिंगेन वयर एक हॉल आसा, मोठे हॉल आसा, ते पण कितकीशी वर्सां जाली बंद आसा. एक रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट करपी बिल्डिंग ही शहराच्या मध्य भागार असलेली, पण ताचेर जाय तशें लक्ष नगरपालिका मारिना. ह्या हितून RTO ऑफिस आसा, बँक आसा. एक म्युन्सिपाल्टीक बऱ्यापैकी रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट जावपाक शकता. त्या खातीर ह्या बिल्डिंगेचेर नगरपालिकेन लक्ष मारपाक जाय, पण जाय तशें लक्ष ते मारिना. ताचेर शॉप जे आसा त्यांनी फायट दिना अशें म्हटलें, पण त्यांची मागणी आसा की हेचे रिपेरिंग जावपाक जाय. फाटली 30 वर्सां जाली ही बिल्डिंग तशीच आसा. आमी गोवा 365चेर एक 5-4 वर्सां पयलीं ही बातमी केल्ली, पूण कांयच ताचो परिणाम जावंक ना आनी म्युन्सिपाल्टीन लक्षय मारूंक ना. आतां आमी परत ही बातमी करता, ह्या फावटी तरी नगरपालिकेन ही दखल घेवन ताचेर लक्ष मारचें आनी रिपेर करचें.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A huge mango tree fell, damaging a couple of houses at Haldanwad, Betki Kandola on Sunday. Fortunately, there were no casualties.
किती झाला सध्या किती लॉस कितलो आला तुका लॉस कितलो आला सध्या कितले 1,00,000-2,00,000
रूमाचे
आणि हे केन्ना इन्सिडेंट केन्ना जालो
11:30 हांव नासलो कामाक आयन दवरलो बाबा
कोणाक काय जावंक ना न्ही म्हणजे कितें आसा कितले 11-11:30 सुमार जालें
कितलो टायम लागलो तो आसलो हांव कामाक
पण कितें कोणाक काय लागूं ना कोण कोण आशिल्ले
आयन दवरलो
सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जितली आमकां हेल्प करपाक जाय तितली आमी हेल्प करपाचें हांवें ताका सांगिल्लें आसा. त्याच प्रमाणे तो एक STचो एक भाव असल्या कारणान ST आमचे खातीर स्किमूय आसा, पूण स्किमी खातीर न रावता पयलू जें कितें तागेलें एक फाटलो जो पारो जो आसा तो पारो इमिडिएटली बांदपाचो हें जालें तें क्लियर जाल्या नंतर तें करून दिता.
And now for the weather. The southwest monsoon was active over Goa. Isolated places got very heavy rainfall, while moderate to heavy rainfall was seen at most places on Saturday. Heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places on 20th and 21st of June. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.gaw365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Gaw365TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gaw365TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Gaw365.